While traveling, the best companion of a traveler is a travel backpack. The best travel backpack will give you the advantage of having space for every necessary component. With one bag, you smoothly glide from location to location, always having just enough, but never too much. So, if you are looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Take a look at the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. The Pacsafe Metrosafe LS350 backpack will get you and your belongings from point A to point B and everywhere in between safely. This 15-liter bag comes with a suite of features designed to keep your belongings secure. It offers zippered main and front pockets with internal organizers. Its padded sleeve accommodates a 13-inch MacBook or a similar-sized laptop, padded grab handle and shoulder straps, and side stretch pockets for water bottles or other gear. The bag's fabric is reinforced with exo-mesh steel wire that stands up to would-be bag slashers, as well as baggage handlers and equipment. Sensitive data is protected from theft by RFID blocking pockets and material, blocking out virtually all transmissions between 10 MHz and 3 GHz, covering the radio frequency used in e-passports, credit or smart cards, and key cards. Additionally, its discrete hooks secure the bag's zipper pulls, and the turn and lock security hook allows you to attach your bag to a secure fixture to deter theft. Next up on the list, we have the Mission Workshop Fitzroy backpack. It features multiple weatherproof compartments, urethane-coated zippers, waterproof materials, and an internal frame sheet. This backpack is an impenetrable fortress of a pack that holds and protects all of your gear, cargo, and valuables from morning start to the day's end. It is built to last a lifetime with waterproof fabrics and military-spec construction for extra strength and durability. Besides, the Fitzroy also features a large zippered pocket that fits most 15-inch and 17-inch laptops. The addition of a double urethane coating on the fabric's face gives the bag extra structure and, similar to our waxed canvas, allows the bag to patina and naturally distress with age. Up next on the list, we have the Thule Subterra backpack. It offers a magnetic roll-top opening that gives easy access to contents through a wide roll-top opening with magnetic closure. You can keep clothes organized while traveling thanks to a removable packing cube. Protect your laptop in the padded laptop sleeve with safe edge construction and secure flap closure. Access your laptop through the top loading compartment or the side zipper. The cords are neatly managed between your device and your mobile charger in the internal power pocket. Users can quickly retrieve inner contents through the zippered side access panel. You can carry comfortably with breathable perforated EVA shoulder straps with mesh covering and padded back panel. Another advantage is that it securely keeps small items and a water bottle within reach in the expandable, zippered side pocket. The next product on the list is the Eagle Creek Global Companion Travel Backpack. It is constructed from 450D Geo ripstop, zip closure with self-repairing lockable zippers, featuring easy grip zipper pulls, is designed to keep working for you trip after trip. The lockable top zippers can be double secured with a small padlock looped through the central lock point. Its top, bottom, and side haul handle enable easy pickup from any angle. Shoulder straps, back panel, and hip belt are designed ergonomically for maximum comfort with padding and moisture wicking to reduce sweat on the body. Check-in Rainfly offers extra rain protection, but can also be expanded to work as a zipped check-in duffel with handles to contain and protect the full suspension back panel. Additionally, the durable Bitech fabric bottom is abrasion and weather resistant, which can be wiped down effortlessly. The Tortuga Setout travel backpack comes with carrying on size, so you never have to worry about checking your bag. Its injection molded foam shoulder straps conform to your body for a custom fit. The padded, removable hip belt takes your bag's weight off of your shoulders and transfers it onto your hips for a lighter, more comfortable carry. Laptop and tablet sleeves protect your electronics while on the road. This carry-on travel backpack fits a 17-inch laptop, 9.7-inch tablet, and all your chargers. Its spacious interior and lie-flat design make it easy to stay organized from the first day of your trip to the last. The organization pockets keep your documents and small essentials readily available. and the hip belt has secure zippered storage for your phone, ID, and boarding pass. The Aer Travel Pack 2 is a versatile carry-on backpack designed for traveling smart. Constructed with a durable 900D eco-dyed exterior and has a separate compartment for stashing shoes or your dirty laundry. Its quick-access laptop pocket fits up to 15.6-inch laptops, and the main compartment opens up flat for easy packing. Also, it provides internal pockets for an organized interior, so everything has its place. The padded top and side handles for versatile carrying and uses an expandable water bottle holder that can zip away when you don't need it. Its padded mesh back panel for enhanced comfort and breathability. You can use the sternum strap and load lifter straps for comfort and stability. Plus, it is optimized to meet international and domestic carry-on luggage requirements. This backpack uses an internal frame sheet for structure and support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up to show your support. And lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.